friends, my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I am going to make Soya Manchurian. It's made of soya chunks which have lots of protein, so they are good substitute for meat. This dish is good as an appetizer. You can also eat this dish with rice or noodles. So come on, let's get started. To marinate these soya chunks, we need 1.5 cup of soya chunks, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic grated, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. To boil the soya chunks, put them in a pan and then add water and boil it. Don't put the soya chunks in boiling water. When they are boiled, strain the water. Press the chunks lightly. Don't squeeze the chunks too hard. If you remove all the water, the chunks will become hard after cooking. Put the boiled soya chunks in a bowl. Then add grated ginger and garlic, red chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, maida and yogurt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat oil for frying on medium-high. Add the chunks one by one so that they don't stick together. If your flame is too low, the chunks will absorb all the oil, and if the flame is high, the chunks might burn. When the color turns golden brown, take them out of the pan. Cut 1 onion into big chunks. Then cut 1 bell pepper into chunks. Grate 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Keep them aside for the gravy. Add oil in a pan. Add grated ginger and garlic, 3 green chilies. Add onions and toss it for 30 seconds. Then add bell peppers and toss for 1 minute. The vegetable should be crunchy. Add tomato ketchup, add chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, vinegar. Stir them well. Add sugar, salt, now we are going to add fried soya chunks. Stir well till the chunks absorb the flavors. If you want the Manchurian to have more sauce, add a bit of water. Now the Soya Manchurian is ready. You can eat this as an appetizer or with fried rice or noodles. Enjoy! Wow, the soya manchurian looks so yum. Try this recipe at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. If you are viewing my channel for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then don't forget to leave a comment below. Bye.